Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, chapter 2 of the Muppets Event in Disney Magic Kingdoms just started, which means Rowlf the Dog has just unlocked. And it's gonna require 15 of the Muppet tickets, 18 of the Beethoven statues, 17 of his ears hats, and 1,500 currency. And before Rowlf the Dog unlocked, I got Kermit the Frog to level 4 because we might need him at that level for the next few quests. So here's my 24-hour progress on Rowlf, and overall it's going pretty great. And while I was collecting tokens for Rowlf the Dog, I got Kermit the Frog to level 5 to save myself some time. Okay guys, it is now time to welcome Rowlf the Dog. Hey there, Kermit. Sorry I'm late. I had a meeting with my trainer that went longer than usual. Which way to the piano? You're not the electric mayhem. Well observed, my friend. No, I am not. Do you know where the electric mayhem is? Yeah, you're gonna want to sit down for this. Sit and stay, in fact. And if you have trouble doing that, I can give you my trainer's number. She's great. My trick elbow's way less tricky. It helps if you're food motivated, though. So I got a call from the Mayhem this morning. You know how they had that gig out in Nevada a couple weeks back? That music festival out in the desert? Yeah, I think so, but... Well, they just wrapped up the after party for the after party for the immersive infinite jam session experience. What? But the show's tomorrow. I guess if they drove all night from Nevada, they could. Also, they welded the tour bus to a beach tugboat as part of an art project. Janice said it was, like, symbolic. But hey, I'm here. I can fill in on the keys. Here, let me just warm up. Let's send Rowlf to show off his skills. Now looking at the animations on this quest, you can see that Rowlf is playing his harmonica, which is really nice to see. And honestly, Rowlf the Dog is the most underrated Muppet out there. Ah, classic. They don't call me a triple threat for nothing. That's singing harmonica and piano for those keeping track. Dancing tends to be a little more, logistically complicated from a footwork coordination standpoint. And let's just say my back paws aren't nearly as nimble as my piano playing front paws. Well, Kermit rushed off while I wasn't looking, so I may as well run through tomorrow's music. It looks like the main act is From Moi to Voix, an enchanting melody of every possible Miss Piggy musical number in chronological order. Huh. I better start practicing now, or else I'll be at it all night. Let's send Rowlf to run through the music, but I have to get him to level 2. Okay guys, so I'm now gonna get Rowlf to level 2. Bark, bark. That's dog fur, thanks. Now looking at the animations of his second quest, you can see that Rowlf is playing the piano, and also some music notes are flying out of the piano, which is pretty fun. And overall, I think this is a great character animation. Wow! She even has a 34-minute a cappella aria. Kermit, have you seen some of these song selections? Actually, where the heck have you been? I've been rereading Piggy's contract, Rowlf, and well, it says here that a full band is legally defined as 2 or more Muppets. No bones about it, Kermit. I always said that my worst quality is that there's only one of me. And it makes it awful hard to do a duet with myself. This is a disaster! I have to be backstage for Piggy's act, so unless we find another musician besides me to play with Rowlf... Telegram! Telegram for Mr. Kermit the Frog! Huh. I had no idea they still send telegrams. Thanks, convenient off-screen delivery person. Oh, it's from Floyd. What's up, green stuff? Stop. Sorry for flaking you on, man. Stop. Thought things might go down this way, so we... Oh no. So we mailed Animal to the theater. Let's build the Muppet Vision 3D attraction, which is an attraction at Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World in Florida, and also used to be at California Adventure till 2014. And it costs 8,700 currency, which we do have enough for, and we're gonna put it right near the battleground stage. And while the Muppet Vision 3D was under construction, I got Rowlf to level 3 because we need him to be at that level before we welcome Animal. Stop. Wow, don't get me wrong, that's awful nice of the Mayhem, but I really hope they packed Animal a TV dinner or something. Nah, they tried that once back in the 70s. It turns out the TV upset his stomach. Floyd said that Animal prefers smaller appliances now. Maybe they packed him a toaster oven. So, all we've gotta do is go backstage and look for a big crate with air holes in it. That's about the size of it, yeah. And we know that Animal may not have eaten anything in, at least 6 hours. Right. You go first. You go, gah! I didn't say it fast enough. Let's send Kermit and Rowlf to search the Muppet Vision 3D. Wow. Yup. So, that crate with the air holes in it has definitely been busted open from the inside, right? It looks like it. Code Magenta. Repeat, we have a Code Magenta in progress. Everyone just stay calm. We've drilled for this. Remember, no sudden movements and stay at least 20 feet away from condiments at all times. Okay, we have to track down Animal before he wrecks the whole theater. You take the swamp set, I'll take back stage? You got it, pal. And we've been through worse. Remember when Dr. Honeydew had us help test his certifiability fireproof paper? Sheesh, don't remind me of that. Let's send Rowlf to search Kermit's Swamp and Kermit to search Muppet Vision 3D. Any luck? The mangrove from the left looks like it went through a wood chipper. How about you? The table in the break room has a bite taken out of it, but there's no animal in sight. Huh, well, have to give credit to Animal for having a proper sit-down meal. That's true. Broaden the search radius? You got it, pal. This isn't good. This magical kingdom is counting on us to put a sensational show. And if we don't find Animal and get Piggy to rehearse before then, things aren't looking so great. Okay, I just have to think. Where haven't Rowlf and I looked yet? Let's welcome Animal, but we have to wait for a day and a few more hours for him to be unlocked. So guys, I hope you enjoyed chapter 2 of the Muppets Event in Disney Magic Kingdoms with Rowlf the Dog. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and I would like to thank everyone for 1,000 subs once again. Also, feel free to leave a like and comment on this video. It really helps the channel. And if you're playing this event like me, then please tell me where you are on the event in the comments. And stay tuned for chapter 3 of this event with Animal. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.